Welcome to this video of my course. By default, all the gigs goes to review system. Sometimes our gigs goes to auto review systems and sometimes it goes to manual review system. When it goes to auto review system, then the things remains okay. But when it goes to manual review systems and if the reviewing person has missed it or forgot to review the gig, then it will remain in there until the seller has not contacted to review and release the gig. Many sellers here do the mistakes as they do not know how to see the status of their gig, and then their gig remain inactive always and they leave the platform by saying that this platform is not helping them at all. But they don't knew that where the real fault was, because if they don't know what is the status of their gig, then how they can sort out that what is the solution for this problem. So let's see the status of our gig and then I will show you that what we need to do further. To check the status of our gig, we have to go to help and support from here and then we have to select the sellers. Then we have to select gig policies. So we will scroll down to the bottom of this page and we have to select contact support. And from here we have to select selling on Fiverr and then we have to select the gigs. And then we have to select the gig status, and then if we have more than one gig, it will show us all gigs and we have to choose the respective gig. But in our case we are only having one gig, so it has automatically shown us that gig and we have to select this gig, and here you can see the status of our gig. It is showing that your gig is active but it needs further review before it will appear into the search results. So now we know the status, that what's wrong with our gig, and we can sort that out. So if our gig remained here for an hour, then I will contact the support team. I will show you that how to contact the support team for this gig issue and for other issues also. It's almost an hour now and our gig status is still same. So I will contact the support team. To do this, we need to press I still need help available under the gig status section. So in subject, I will write about my issue, and or if you have any other issue, you can also write it here. You can consider it an email also, or you can write an email from that email address on which you have registered your Fiverr account. Or you can do the same from here. So I will put the subject as I was supposed to put the subject while using the email services. So I am mentioning here that my gig is not appearing in Fiverr search results. And in this section, I will write the same with some more explanations like my gig is not appearing in search of Fiverr. Please look into the matter and do the needful. From here, you have to select that for which gig you are writing this, and then we will press send request. So our request has been generated and notification of this also must have been arrived in our email inbox on which we have made our Fiverr account. I have shown you that how you can contact Fiverr support for any type of issue, and for this video that's all, and I will see you in the following video with updated status.